He came, he saw, he left a mess. Made Bush look good, we must confess. For those in need, unhappiness. Gave tax cuts to the rich. A con man he without compare. The desperate found comfort there. The other side needs to prepare for his old bait and switch. I've looked at Trump from both sides now and wish that he would change somehow. Old habits just don't fade away. It's time for us to seize the day. He never ceases to complain. Some things he says are quite insane, but in his business finds a gain. The truth he has to hide. He's far from any self-made man. His father's millions made his plan to be a landlord. Understand, no virtues are his guide. I've looked at Trump from both sides now and wish that he would change somehow. Old habits just don't fade away. It's time for us to seize the day. He buddies up with autocrats, blames everything on Democrats, made millions on his MAGA hats, and spends more time at play. Not sure if his golf game's improved, his practice daily being rude. He sets a standard being crude, no presidential way. I've looked at Trump from both sides now and wish that he would change somehow. Old habits just don't fade away. It's time for us to seize the day. A private phone this man does use, though emails he still thinks are news. Too bad so many still refuse to see what he's about. The rich get richer under him. What's left the poor is mighty thin. No way the middle class will win. It's time to turn him out. I've looked at Trump from both sides now and wish that he would change somehow. Old habits just don't fade away. It's time for us to seize the day. So listen now with one more chance, or pay the devil for the dance. It's money, power, is romance. He only loves himself. Yes, we must vote to limit him. Direction change must now begin. Can't let reactionaries win. Yes, you must save yourself. I've looked at Trump from both sides now and wish that he would change somehow. Old habits just don't fade away. It's time for us to seize the day.